Hello my guys, and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have this 2012, I believe, Toyota Camry. Let me show you what I found. Customer states the car stalls sometimes, it doesn't want to start, has some problems starting the vehicle. So I'm gonna put my scanner and run the code. Master flow sensor. Master flow sensor. Master flow sensor. So I'm in this vehicle. First thing that I found, missing the screw on the master flow sensor. I'm gonna pull out the sensor and everything in here. Customer told me he put this from Toyota, his factory, it's original. He put a new one, I still have a code. The airbox is damaged in there. He put tape, but I found the screw right over there. If you can see it, right there is the other screw. So I think that's why it's missing, because it's missing the screw on the sensor. So as you can see, that's the screw. The customer was looking for this screw for like a month, and it's been riding in there. I'm surprised after all this time it didn't fall off. Good thing we found it, because I was gonna go to the dealer to get another one, because this map sensor, even though he replaced it, like I said, with a new one, it's still reading a code because it's not sealing properly. And here the intake tube before the filter, it has a crack. He put tape. I don't think that's gonna affect the air that goes into the sensor. I think it's just the screw is not sealing properly. So I'm just gonna put that screw, erase the code, and drive it around, because when I started it and moved it to the garage, I started it and it died on me, and I started the second time and it started running fine. And also he has some noise. The other day I put the end links, and I know the end link is tight. I think the lower ball joint is going bad, because he makes some weird noise every time that he turns the steering wheel. And it's not a wheel bearing. Wheel bearing is new, should be the lower ball joint. So I'm gonna check into that and show you if I had to replace the lower ball joint. Okay guys, I was checking my suspension. Everything looks good in there. The only thing that doesn't look good is this outer tie rod. Outer tie rod needs to be replaced. Other than that, I check everything on the sensor right here. Everything looks good. The only issue, it was that little screw missing on the master flow sensor. So I gotta put that back on the tray. You have to remove this little radiator cover. Then you get 2 bolts for the inlet for the airbox, then the intake, and it's just one little screw right here. You remove everything. For the tray, it's only this screw right here and that screw right there. You remove the bottom part, it's sitting down there. Okay guys, everything is in place. Customer is coming with both tie rods, and I'm gonna start the car now, reset the code, see if everything is good now with the sensor. Before we start the car, I'm gonna reset the code. Master flow sensor, intake, yeah, remove it. Master flow sensor, yep. Okay. Okay, everything is clear. Still the master flow sensor. Let me start the vehicle to see if he's gonna remove it. Check engine light is still on. I'm gonna go ahead and erase the code. Car just died. Mission, okay. Read code. Still master flow sensor. I have to call the customer But first, I'm gonna clean this sensor, even though he says it's new. I don't know about that. But I'm gonna remove it, clean it, let it air dry, and then put it back on and start the car, reset the codes, and all that. Sensor is in place. Let's reset the codes first, and then start the vehicle. I think they didn't put a new sensor. They just clean it the same way I did right now. Okay, let's see if this works. Check engine light still on. Yeah, I think that sensor is no bueno. Okay, I'm gonna talk to the customer. Probably he needs a new sensor again. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish this episode right here. Customer can find the tie rods, everybody around the area where he lives, and even in here. I went to Napa, I went to few places, him as well. Can find them, can find the tie rods, and they're gonna get here until Monday. I'm gonna finish this until Monday. Mass airflow sensor is not good. I reset it, I clean it, I put it back on. It's still the same issue.